Choosing the Morgan Legal Group kind of comes down to three different things. One, if you want to be treated like a number and you want to be treated like just another case and you want your attorney not to know anything about you or your case, choose another law firm. At the Morgan Legal Group, we know each one of our attorneys. Each attorney is going to know each one of the clients. You're going to get to speak with me, Mr. Morgan, the founder of the Morgan Legal Group. I'm going to call you up. I'm going to talk with you about your case. I'm going to be one of the attorneys on your case, working on your case. I'm going to be doing the depositions. If we go to trial, I'm going to be at the trial. I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to be making sure that you're taken care of. I'm going to treat you the way that I want to be treated. I started this firm with the principles that I was going to treat everyone the way I would want to be treated if I hired them to be represented. Prior to being an attorney, I hired an attorney to represent me in a case. I never talked to him. I talked to his office staff all the time, never talked to the attorney. Don't even know what he looked like. I mean, I saw his picture on the website. I know at one point I may have heard his voice at one point, but I never got to talk to my attorney. At the Morgan Legal Group, you're going to get to talk to your attorney. You're going to know how your case is going. If you're going to have people dedicated to you. You're going to know who you're going to call. You're going to be able to text us. You're going to be able to call us. We're going to respond back. We're going to communicate with you. Second thing is, we're going to care about your case. At the Morgan Legal Group, we don't take every case that comes through the door. I want to make sure that I get the cases that I want to work on. It's a partnership. If I take your case, it's a partnership. We're going to be working together to make sure you get what you deserve. If it's not a case that I don't feel is righteous, in other words, if it's a case that I don't feel is worth pursuing, I'll let you know. Hey, there may be another firm that'll take this case, but it's not my firm. I only prefer go after cases that I feel are right. If you're faking an injury, don't call me. I'm not going to represent you.